Now, for our third task, what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user for their name, and then we're going to do some addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to their age, with the results being displayed. So what we'll do, we'll do some addition, and we'll do some division, because they're the ones that have the most issues in my experience. Or no, addition just to get your head around it, but then something happens when we do some division. We'll have a look at that. So we're going to do some addition. So we're going to ask the user for their age. So new file, Control N, and I'm going to say print what is, talking marks, what is your age? And then we're going to ask some input. So we're going to say age, input, and we're going to do that. And then we're going to say, we're going to do some addition. So I say, we'll say bigger number, or we'll say added. So we're adding. Added becomes age plus 5. So then we're going to take the age, we're going to add 5 to it, and we're going to store it in this variable here called added. And then we're going to say print. We're going to say something interesting like, in 5 years time you will be, and we're going to put in comma age. So say in 5 years time you will be your age plus 5. So we're going to save that file, save as, and I'm going to call it numbers, because that's what we're doing, working with numbers in this one. And then we're going to run it. Now I'm expecting some errors. Let's see what happens. What is your age? My age, let's say I'll pretend to be a teenager. I'll say I'm 15. Oh no, it's given me this. Can only concatenate str, not int, to str. Okay, so we've got an issue here. Now this concatenate, that's kind of like, I will talk about this in class when it comes up. So hopefully we'll be able to see this, and we'll talk about what this idea of concatenating means. Anyhow, we've got a problem. Age is being stored as something called a string. What we want to work with a number, because we're working with numbers. We can't add to strings, so we want to work with numbers. Now, 5, what kind of a number is 5? Well, it's a whole number or an integer. So what we need to do, we need to convert this to an integer. So the next line, what we're going to do, we're going to say int age equals int. I'm going to put age in there. So what that means, it's this. So in this line, what's happening is it's reading someone's age. And then the next line, this here, what it does, it converts it to a number. So here it reads it as a string or a word. Here it converts it to a number called an integer. And then it stores that here in int age. So then what we're going to do is we're going to now change this to int age. So saying added equals int age plus 5, and what we're going to do, we're going to change this to added. Now let's see how that works. So let's go, let's run module, it'll save it. What is your age? 15 again. Oops. 15. In 5 years time you will be 20. So there we go. That's what we've got going on there. Okay, so subtraction will be something similar. Now for division, I'm going to do something a bit different. We're going to do some division. So we'll say divided equals int age divided by 3. So now what we'll do is we'll say print, if we divide your age by 3, we get divided. Now we're going to run this a couple of times to see what happens. So let's run this, run module. Okay. Invalid syntax. Oh no, what have I done wrong? Oh, forgot the comma. Run module. Okay. What is your age? Let's say 15. Alright, in 5 years you will be 20. If we divide your age by 3, we get 5. Okay, let's try a different number. Run module. I might be thinking of a previous version of Python, but let's just see. Let's try, we put an age of 14. Oh no, here we are, 4.66. In a previous version of Python, it wouldn't convert it to this type of number, which is floating point, but here it does. So that's how we do some division. So multiplication, to multiply, you use Shift 8, the star, and to subtract, you just use the hyphen, and that's all you need to do. So do the rest of your numbers. Also, the rest of your operations.